I mean, I'm very happy when people come up to me and they want to take pictures because I mean, I'm an actor and I've always it's the love of the audience, you know, that you also work for. Of course, there's like what you personally want to achieve or you see your career going, but it's also the love of the audience for me that trumps so much. So I'm very excited. Sometimes I scare people off because I'm more excited. So people would came and ask me for pictures, and I was like, oh, they want a picture with Tiger, and they were like, no, we want a picture with you also. And I used to be like, what? You want a picture with me? Come, let's do videos and pictures and everything. So I get very excited. I really get more girl attention, not gonna lie. I feel like because the kind of characters that I've played on screen, a lot of young girls have related to it. So I don't know, maybe I do get guy attention, but I notice the girl attention a lot. I've seen it as being shy, and you know, I'm the kind of person like if someone new walks into the room, I try to make them feel as comfortable as I can. So I don't know if I really think of it in this like guy trying to hit on me and all of that. It's more like, how can I make this person feel as comfortable as possible? I'm really grateful for it and I love it, you know. I think I try to be the best role model that I can be because I have this position and platform right now. Like, I don't want to put out a false image of what a 23-year-old girl is supposed to be like. You know, I want to be as normal as possible. I want to be as real as possible. If that includes making mistakes, if that includes, you know, being judged, sometimes I'm okay with that as long as people, I don't want to ever be termed as fake or unattainable or, you know, we can't be like her, we don't relate to her. And for my dad, that, you know, that if no matter how bad your day is, you have to always be nice to people who come and meet you because for them it's one time in their life probably that they're going to meet you and they're always going to remember that. So that's something that, yeah, sometimes, and you know, you're on a flight and you have woken up at 3 a.m. or you've just gotten off a 12-hour flight or, you know, you've had a bad day of work. Sometimes you're not able to give as much. You know, I'm not going to say, I'm not rude, but maybe I've not smiled as much or given as much eye contact as I possibly should have given or as much attention. But later on, I'm like, I wish, like, you know, I could have done better. I feel like, yeah, because I think at the end of the day, actors are human beings too. And I feel like, you know, audiences have idolized them so much or they've seen them a certain way. And then they meet them in person and then they're not what they expect, that can really have like a bad reaction, you know, in someone. At least I realized, you know, it's not like कि मैं अपने ही दिमाग में हूँ कि I've forgotten it. I always, if I feel like कि मैंने अपना 100% नहीं दिया, then I always think back on it. You know, I'm always aware कि मैंने हाँ नहीं किया था. You know, I should have done better. I should have been better. And I think that's good to have that self-correction and that self-realization.